drop's coming. The drop's coming. Wagon doesn't hit that hard, but it does alright. Have an ice scraper, just get yourself some axe and a lighter. Oh shit.
Dude, I can taste it.
Yeah, it smells horrible. Man, this doesn't work as good as I thought it was gonna. Won't stay lit.
Good, you got like dirt.
I know, at least I can see now. Alright, we in business now. Got a new can of axe.
I think that one burns a whole different color.
Dude, it works really good though, honestly.
Hey, get the blinker on. Savage. Doing it out here. Oh, he's doing it. Oh, Boostedboiz!
Alright guys, so we're going to try to work on the S14 today. We should have parked it inside, knowing that we're in Colorado and the weather is really bipolar because it was literally like 60 degrees yesterday and we were in our t-shirts, but we got a blizzard overnight and now it is freezing out and the S14 is covered in snow and we were fixing to paint the engine bay. We did get it power washed out yesterday, but yeah, we left it outside, so now it's filled with snow and we're just going to pull it up to the garage right here, brush it off as much as we can, and then pull it inside. And we're just gonna have to let it dry out, and we'll see how far we can get on it tonight. We are gonna be working on the hatch very soon as well. As you guys know, I just got that over at PFI. The guy's gonna come down there to pull the windshield tomorrow, so then we can start working on it because that's like the first thing they have to do for that. So today we're just gonna spend some time on the S14 because that's really all we have to do. So we gotta get this engine bay knocked out, and then we have the bearings and everything to put the motor together. So we're just gonna get it pushed in for now, and hopefully she will dry out so we can at least give it some sort of paint tonight. So I don't know, we'll just see how far we get on it. All I know is it's really cold. Alright, so we've been letting the S14 thaw out for a little bit, and only a couple hours later and we got way more snow. So I pulled the Wagon up into the other driveway, and the front bar right here on the bottom is scraping hard. The intercooler is already starting to get caked with snow just by taking it around the block, and there is way more snow on it. And that only took like a couple hours, and now it is just, the roads are just horrible right now. So hopefully I don't have to go to class tomorrow. That'd be sweet. But
yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah, Wagon's a little cold, and I want to try the subs again, see if we can knock the snow off, because now there's actually a decent amount of snow on it. Oh no, it's not enough. Bring it up slowly. Oh, it's starting to. Wagon needs a better sub. It bumps really good in the car.
Yeah.
But it's not enough to blast the snow off it.
It's too much snow.
Yeah, dude, it's a lot of snow. it got the passenger window. I'll take it. This is the most snow we've ever got, for sure.
This year, yeah.
Yeah, so far. Look at where I go, dude. So cold. I just put the MR2 outside too.
Yeah.
I was getting it in the MR2. It drifts pretty
It's
good.
scraped in the driveway. That's how bad the snow is.
Yeah, I just brought the MR2 around because the Wagon doesn't have enough coolant in its radiator lines, so it kind of freezes up a little bit. So I need to let it thaw in the garage.
Yeah.
The extreme Wagon rock crawl. Oh, bro, we ain't going nowhere. That windshield's gonna be so slippery.
Go with the windshield wiper. Try to ride it.
Oh, we caught ourselves. We're good.
Recovered.
Damn, we're gonna have to bust out the winch. I don't know if the winch will reach that far.
To the top of the windshield?
Yeah, I don't think it will. Oh, baby, no. We can't, bro. We have to get a little closer before we can use our winch. Ooh, that might reach. That might reach. Come on, baby. Come on.
I think it's stuck.
Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good.
No.
No.
It's stuck now.
No, there's hope. There's hope. This is back tire right here. Oh.
For it.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, dude. No! Oh, no!
Right when we got to the top.
We were so close. Damn, check out those LEDs though.
It's so bright.
We're high-centered, boys.
Man.
Dude, I ain't going out there. It's fucking cold.
Damn it.
I think we had this thing in a video like a long time ago. Not sure how many of you guys know, but I used to be like way into RC cars and airplanes. And we really don't show much of it like off camera. But I'm still like kind of into them. I don't drive them as much as I used to. And a really funny thing I thought I'd mention, if you want to see a funny video on how I made the LEDs for this thing, just look up a YouTube account called Hi Bob Cheese. I'll put it at the bottom of this video. Like I'll just put it like right here, Hi Bob Cheese. I was like messing with these things when I was like 10 years old, and I actually have an old YouTube account that I don't think anyone hardly knows about.
Oh, I know.
But yeah, all my close friends know about it, and they make fun of me for it. But I mean, I have a video on there of an Air Hogs helicopter shooting a balloon that has like 37,000 views. So you know, I've been doing the YouTube thing for a minute now. But yeah, I have an old video. I had another one of these, and I like showed how I made the LED mod for it like a long time ago. So I figured I'd throw that in there. It just kind of reminded me of it. But I do want to bust out some more of my RC cars. These things are fun. I have a whole bunch in my room right now. Like I got nitro ones, all kinds of stuff. I just never show any of it. But yeah, we didn't have too much going on today, so I was like, I'll bust out the little micro rock crawler. All the other things aren't ready to go right now, but this one was charged, so I figured I'd play with it while we're waiting for the S14 to thaw out. So yeah, go check out that channel. Let me know what you guys think. I'm prepared for all the hate.
Bro, they're gonna love it.
They're gonna love it.
It's awesome.
What the hell? Alright, so we just got the whole front end pulled off of the S14. It was pretty cool because the fenders and bumper and headlights just kind of came off all in one piece. So that was kind of nice. We got a lot of the wiring harness out of the way as much as we can. We have been sanding on it for a little bit. We're just kind of getting it ready to be painted. There's a couple spots where the harness, we can't get it completely out of the way, like right here. This connects to like this big fuse box right there, so we're not going to be able to pull this harness through it all. It might unplug somewhere in there, but we don't know, so we're just going to have to kind of go around that. And then also the harness that goes into the car for the main engine harness. We can't really fit the plugs through that hole because it's just like really hard to snake the plugs through up around all the heater stuff inside to get those out, so we're just going to have to work around that one as well. And we kind of just got all the wires sitting in the engine bay. We're going to get them a little more out of the way here in a bit. We're going to kind of tuck everything up under the frame as much as we can, then we'll cover all that up and get it masked off. Another thing I'm gonna be fixing up right here real quick is like whoever did this kind of hacked this hole up right here for the intercooler pipe, because the intercooler pipe I guess comes really close right here. So whoever owned this just made some cuts in this, and then they like curled the sheet metal up and it kind of looks like crap. So I'm just gonna quickly like take a crescent wrench and bend all these flatten all this out, and then just make a cut with my angle grinder and kind of smooth this hole out right here, and then that'll make that look a little nicer. I don't think we're gonna get to paint it tonight. We're just gonna spend a little extra time to prep it. It is still wet in some spots, so we're just gonna wait until tomorrow before we start painting it all. But yeah, we did actually spray a little bit of the color that we're gonna be using right here. So it's just like this dark purple. We're gonna paint that whole color. I think it should look pretty good. Jeremy thinks it's gonna look like a girl car, but I think it's gonna look pretty sweet.
It's just gonna be clean, that's all I want to do.
Yeah, it should come out good. So, but we're gonna spend a little extra time prepping it, and I don't think we're gonna have enough time tonight to get it painted yet. But we will have it ready to be painted tomorrow morning. We might spend a little more time sanding it down like tomorrow, but it should be pretty much ready to go by the end of tonight, and then we'll just start painting it in the morning, and yeah, go from there. Alright guys, that's as far as we're gonna get on the S14 for tonight. We got the engine bay pretty much ready to go. This side's pretty much sanded down. We still have to do this side real quick, and then some of the back firewall right there, and then she'll be ready for some paint. And then soon after that, we'll be able to get the motor thrown together and hopefully get her back in, and hopefully she runs good and we don't have any issues, because I've never done any of these motors or any Nissans or nothing like this before. So it's all new to us. We're figuring it out though. So if everything goes smooth, we might be able to have this thing running by next weekend, but no promises on that. We'll just see how far we get, but we are gonna get there. Just didn't make a whole bunch of progress today, but we are making progress. So thanks for watching guys. We'll see you later.